hometown looks the same as I step down from the train, and there to meet me is my mama and papa. Down the road I look, and there runs Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they all come to meet me, arms reaching, smiling sweetly. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. The old house is still standing, though the paint is cracking dry, and there's that old oak tree that I used to play on. Down the lane I walk with my sweet Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Then I awake and look around me at 4 grey walls that surround me, and I realize, yes, I was only dreaming. For there's a God and there's a sad old portrait. On and on we'll walk at daybreak, and again I touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they all come to see me in the shade of that old oak tree, as they lay me neath the green, green grass of home.
Il Fainu'ulelei a Fainu'ulelei. Ia outou no nofo fealofani, e pei o lo outou tamā. Ia outou fealolofa'i ma fetausi ai. Whaapei o na awa lo outou tamā ia asi Tuiātagā. O ia o le uso matua. It is not fifi. It is nothing to do with being scared. It is respect. Love one another, respect one another. Ia whape nā le whetausia. I le tātou a inga whaafonga mai. A vea ia lo tangata whatau waa, e whai masui o si o tātou usone, ia Fainu'ulelei. E te talo atu ai. E le ai lawa se tasi e ātoa. E poto a le tautai, ai se le atu ianga. Se i oto wā lolofa, whamangalo Fainu'ulelei. Fainu'ulelei, whaafetai mo mea uma. Whaafetai for babysitting me for 70 plus years. Mā lo le tausi tama lelei, mā lo le whai o le whaiwa, sā o Falana'ipupu. Ua molinga ni oli a o ni foli. O lau pule lea whaafetai. Sa wia ina e alu male maluia. Ia sao mauli lau whainga malanga. It won't be hard to find you, boss, when my time comes. I will look for the best guitarist, the best singer, the best golfer, the best builder, I will look for a wise Samoan Matai who does not like tulaunga, titled Fainu'ulelei Tom Blakelock. The one with a tauwai on his left leg, just like mine. Alofa le mawai mo o le uso peleina, send our love to Mama and Papa. Wa fa'afetai, wa mani e mata e ma'ai, wa tasi lava oe, wa tasi lava oe, ilo unei ka'agoe mo.
Yes, they all come to see me in the shade of that old oak tree as they lay me neath the green, green grass of home.